Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today's video is inspired by this Christmas card that I found cleaning my cupboards, and it is a 3D card, so it gave me an idea to make coasters. These coasters are gonna be poured in two times, in two levels. So the bottom is going to be kind of gold caramel, and the other layer is going to be dark blue navy. So, okay, let's get to it. I have premixed my resin. I mixed half of the amount that I usually would mix. For my first layer, I am using curl pigment and a gold pigment together to create this lovely caramel color. Mold that I'm using today is from Molds and Shapes. It's a company in Netherlands, and they make fantastic molds. And the resin I'm using is Art Pro resin from Resin Pro company. If you like videos about resin and everything connected with resin, consider to subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell, so that way you don't miss any of my future videos. Right, looks like I am nearly finished mixing my brown caramel color. And now it's the fun part, the pouring. For this layer, all I'm going to do is I am going to pour this brown caramel color around the edges, and then I am going to put the clear in the center and add some gold leaf in the middle, and I'm going to leave it to cure. Right, at this point the first layer is done and my coasters are half full. I am going to cover them and let them to cure. So this is the next day and they have been cured. I have premixed the other part of the resin and I'm going to mix it and make it dark blue as a sky reference. So I'm going to be using curl pigments and Arteza mica powder. And here we go. Mix it, mix it. I was after a quite opaque blue color and I think I managed to get a beautiful shade of navy blue. And here you are seeing me pouring the second part. And this part represents the sky in the Christmas card. And this is pretty much straightforward. Just fill the coasters until the top, until they are full. And that's pretty much it. I will be coming back every 5-10 minutes to get rid of the bubbles. And yeah, this is the next day. I'm taking them out and here they are all ready. I do like them a lot. But there is one thing that I'm not very happy with. I think that I added too much caramel pigment and it is a bit overpowering the blue part. So, in my head I thought to make another set. And here we have the finished coasters. I added gold edging. I think they do look very nice. What do you think? And here is the other set that I created. In this set, I added very little caramel and they look more. So again, not exactly 100% happy, but I like these coasters. Which coasters do you prefer? And here we have the finished coasters. In the end, my preference are these coasters. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving a comment. But for now, I say goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!